I bought this pneumatic gun, rigid clean drive. It's because I have a pneumatic gun for framing, which allows me to nail 3-inch long nails into the frame. So I needed something for the molding, for something light duty. So I came across this one, which I thought was a good bargain. It has so many different features, as you can see listed in the back of the box. The brand is good, and later on in the video I'm going to show you what this gun is capable of. Alright, very good. Looks like comes with the bag. Nice. Just to show you there's nothing else in the box. The box is empty. So I like the fact it comes with the bag. Excellent. So let's see. Take the gun out. Alright, let's see if there's anything in here. This is just used for packing. There's nothing in there, so that you know. The gun is right here. There's nothing else in the bag. Nice little tote bag. Alright. Then we have, let's see what we got here. The lineup. These are the nails to get started. They look like 1.25 inches. Alright, and I got the, alright, you got a lineups, the other products, and you have the manufacturer's book instructions. So let's remove this wrapping. Here you go. It has some nice instructions. This moves. It's like a universal joint. Very nice. Very nice features. Just add the nails here. Just put the nails like that, and you close it. Alright, you can put different size nails in there. All you gotta do is slide in and lock it in. Very nice. It has a hook here. Okay. So again, slides out, doesn't fall out. Put the nail here, whatever size you want to use, up to 2 1/8 inches. You're ready to go. And the trigger. Lightweight. See how it goes. So it comes in from the factory like this, but you could change it. Just turn the knob. All right. The selective actuator. There you go. And there's the adjustment here. As you can see, it's an oil-free 120 Psi Max. All right. Even though this is an oil-free tool, lubrication is not required. However, the occasional addition of air tool lubrication into the air fitting right there, tool will not adversely affect performance or harm the tool. Before connecting the tool, check the compressor pressure gauge. So this operates from 70 psi to 120 psi. As you can see, it's labeled 120 psi max. All right. So I'm going to try it out today later on with 70 psi. Depending on the wood, I might have a clean penetration, or I might have to add some pressure to it. So I had to go out and buy this 2-inch nail for the gun. It's 18 gauge. It matches the gun. So I'm going to open this up and place the 2-inch nail so you see how it's done. Very easy to do, very simple. All I'm going to do is slide it back up and everything will just fall in place. Just like so. This housing is made out of plastic. I got the compressor pressure set to 70 psi to get started. It's very quiet. It's like stapling stapler on a piece of paper. even though there's a lot of force behind it, like a 70 psi to operate the gun. But it makes it look like a piece of cake. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. This gun connects to the compressor with a hose, but you could also find similar gun battery operated.